There's someone in this crazy world for me. The way that people come and go through temporary lives, my chance to come and I might never know. I used to say no promises, let's keep it simple, but freedom only helps you say goodbye. It took a while for me to learn that nothing comes for free. The price I paid is high enough for me. Too much time. I know, yes, perfection of one imperfect world, and fool enough to think that's what I'll find. Full of good intentions, but none of them will comfort me tonight. I'm wide awake at 4 a.m. without a friend in sight. I'm hanging on a hope, but I'm alright. And fool enough to think that's what I sun wasn't right. I was sleeping for a while. Suddenly by you, and now I feel like a fool. So confused, my heart screams. Was I ever loved by you? I reached so far. I never had your heart. I'd reach, couldn't see. We were never meant to be. 'Cause we said from this day, how could Troy I stay here, keeping busy every day. I know I will be okay, but I was so confused. My heart's bruised. Was we ever loved by you? I reached so far. I never had your heart. I reached, couldn't see. We were never meant to be. So much hurt, so much pain, takes so long.